So Fantom has been increasing here for the last couple of days, so that's why we have to check it out to see what's been happening. So I recommend you guys to watch the entire video to understand what is happening to Fantom and what's going to happen here in the future. And of course, if you do enjoy this video, means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go and check it out. So here we are, core cap. Let's see the market cap right now for Fantom, basically $6.3 billion. The volume here has been increasing here, but not too much, but we're still at $830 million, which is still a really good number here. And we did increase here by 8%. So that's awesome to see. Right now, we're almost at $2.5 to $2.50. So good numbers for now, pretty okay. If you look at the 7-day chart here, we can actually see that we have been going up, which is really good. But if you go to the 1 month, again, boom, continuing to go up. So we're going to do some price analysis, some price prediction to see what's going to happen here. Let's go here to the chart. Let's see what's been happening here to Fantom. So Fantom has been slowly increasing here, not too fast but not too slow. And as you can see here, for last I think like 15 days maybe, let me just see how much it passed here, 12 days. It has been increasing, and it did increase here from, let's say, from this dip all the way to this high 100%. So basically the double here, which is amazing to see. Something like this did happen to this token. Now, first thing first, this is the all-time high here at $3.48. As you can see, we're still pretty much far away from this level, but can we go back? Of course, this is a huge chance here for us to finally make a reversal and try to go up. But of course, guys, you have to remember we have to check out Bitcoin also, because Bitcoin is dominating the whole market. So if Bitcoin continues to go down or something like that, then I don't believe Fantom will go up. But if Bitcoin just stabilizes to sideways and not too many big movements, then yes, Fantom should be able to continue to go up and reach some new highs, maybe even. So, like I said, what's been happening here is some good things. First thing first, we did have here a couple of triangles. So you can just check out the triangles here where we did blow to the top side. Boom, triangle here, breaking the top side, continuing to go up, reaching all the way to here. And again, look at this triangle right over here. Boom, here, then here. This is a triangle, boom, to the top side, continue to go up, and there you go. Now we're just having some stabilization right over here in this area, but it should be able to continue to go up because the volume is still showing us that people are buying. So the volume has been increasing here. So this is still the same pattern, but we still should be seeing some increase here, and it should be able to continue to go up. We're gonna measure this. We have to see what is the price target here for at least the short term. So if we do measure this from this top to this low here, you can see all of the levels and what should be happening. You can just see here they did retouch this area again. So the target should be at $2.70 here. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen though. Look at this, it's pretty close here to, like, one of the targets is pretty close here to 3.5. So that 3.5 is super duper close here, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen with that one also. Hopefully it can reach that level. It will be the best if it could, but we're gonna see. There's still so many factors. Can we go back to all-time high? There should be the possibility, but like I said, if Bitcoin continues to go down, something like that, then I believe that the whole market will go down, and that's gonna be the problem, because then what's gonna happen here is that we're gonna get totally rejected, make another low here, then try to go up again, and maybe then there's a possibility with a giant triangle that we should be able to break to the top side and then hit new all-time highs. But of course, that's super far away in the future. This is not something that's going to happen like one day or two. It's something that happens in like a couple of months, so do remember that. We still have a long way to go here for this token and all the latest things that needs to happen here. So for now, what needs to happen? Basically, stabilization is key here a little bit until the RSI goes here a little bit more down, and once it does, it should be able to continue to go up. Now, a really good thing here is that we did have here the buying indicator. So if you do look at the AMAs, the 55 and the 20, they're really looking super healthy right now. So a nice cross right over here at the edge of this triangle here. Boom, bullish cross. This bullish cross indicates you it's time to buy. So if you bought in this area and when they cross again, it's basically telling you you need to sell. You could sell if you do want to, because then the price here will continue to go down. But as you can see here, if you bought in this area and it still didn't sell, you're still up by about 70%. So that's awesome. That's really, really good here to see. Now look at this, the 55 is actually touching here the graph for safety, which is again a really good sign here. And look at this, the 20 is catching up here to the graph, again a really good sign. This is why we did need this kind of rejection, so the 20 here can catch up to the chart, because every single time it just touches here the chart, that's a good sign, everything is going to be okay. So this is what we need. We are just touching the blue line here for safety, so that's really good. Good indicators here that we should be able to continue to go up even more. So like I said, it's all about these lines here. Let's actually go here to the 1 day chart, because on the 1 day, there you go, this is super important. Look at this, these crosses are super important. So the last time we had like a bearish cross here at the 1 day chart was basically at the 4th of December. So from the 4th to basically this level here, it's 27 days. 27 days passed between this cross and this cross. So basically that means we still have a lot of times here. We just started here, only 2 days for this cross. It should indicate that we should be able to continue to go up at least for the next like 10 days. Maybe we're going to see some rejection, but I don't believe we're going to see just crosses every single time here. Because look at this, boom. We only had 2 crosses ever since June last year actually, so there you go. So we had like only 2 crosses. This bearish cross, we probably had like a bullish cross here, but then a bearish cross, and now a bullish cross again. So this cross here should last for a pretty long time now, and hopefully the price of this token will continue to go up just because of that. Now a problem also here, if you look at the 1 day chart, is the volume. So the volume is getting lower still. So we're losing at the volume, but that's still pretty much okay, because sometimes you have something like this where I'm just gonna draw, I'm gonna be cast right now. So something like this, we have more wicks here, more wicks, then we have a green one. So there's like red ones, then we have like a green one, and then we make something like this. Boom. A giant triangle here, that in the end there is a possibility with these kinds of triangles that we should be able to just blow up and just increase in the volume, and then they bypassing all of these levels here. So that's super important for the future of this token here. Again, we had this exact same triangle here before. Look at this. That's why you have to zoom out sometimes. Like you cannot only look at the short term. You have to look at the bigger picture. Look at this. Boom. So this here was the triangle here. Boom. This here was the level, and as you can see, we broke the top side. So if we take the Fibonacci, if we just make a Fibonacci here from this level to this level, this here is the next price target of basically let's round it up, let's say it's $5. That is the price target here for this triangle, this giant triangle that has been made. Look at this, let's go look at the chart before. So we had this small triangle, let's just check it out. Boom, this one over here to here, and this one over here. So these 2 lines right over here, basically breaking to the top side. How much do we increase if we take the Fibonacci? If we set the levels here, pretty close here to this target. There you go, hitting the closest target here. But now because this is a giant triangle, like I said, there is a chance that we're gonna hit that next target here. But that's, like I said, if Bitcoin is going to be bullish, if everything is going to be okay, then like I said, the target here should be $5. Now, is $5 possible? Well, we're going to need to double the market cap. So can we double the market cap? We already have 6.3 billion. There is a chance that we could be able to go to like $12 billion, even a little bit more. So $12 billion here for Fantom is something that it is pretty much possible. It's going to be difficult, but it is possible here. And like I said, good things are happening right now. I'm excited to see how this will continue and what's going to happen in the future. But we have to go and check out their Twitter here to see the latest news and the latest updates. So I want to talk about this, saying here, this is the Fantom Foundation, this is the Twitter, saying there are now 1.5 million unique addresses on Fantom. On January 1st, 2021, they were 5,084. So there you go. It's a 29,000% increase growth in 1 year. Thank you to the community and the builders to making this happen. So this is how you find unique projects. Look at this. Basically, in the last year, on January 1st, they only had 5,000. Now they have 1.5 million. If you somehow did find this token where they only had like 5,000 addresses, like wallets holding, then you're one of the lucky ones. You're one of the lucky ones. You found a hidden gem that actually exploded and has some really good case uses. Yeah, just okay things happening here, not too many important things. It says how to bridge FTM to Fantom. You can check this up if you do want. So look at this. So Fantom keeps growing. So 5.3 billion total value locked, 1.4 million unique addresses, 700,000 daily transactions, 80,000 unique daily users, 354,000 unique monthly users, okay, 8.6 billion volume on multi-chain org, okay, and 39,000 smart contracts. So there you go. So yeah, Fantom, people are interested into Fantom and big things are happening here to this token. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.